Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to register in Reku Exchange. When you enter the website, click on sign up, then we enter the registration section. Enter your email, password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 character or more. After entering your password, repeat your password for confirmation, then click here. Also, you can link your account to Gmail or Apple. We're gonna receive a code in order to verify our account. Go to your email, click on Reku, copy the code, then paste it here. If you want, you can enter a username for your account or skip it. We enter our account's dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.